Dear darling, I want to talk to you today about something very important. Owning your mistakes. Everyone makes them. It's part of being human. But how we respond makes all the difference. The sooner you admit when you've done something wrong, the sooner you can begin to make it right. Apologizing early shows humility, courage, and respect for others. There's a story from Aesop's fables called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. A young shepherd boy thought it would be funny to shout that a wolf was attacking the sheep, even though it wasn't true. People ran to help him, only to find he was joking. He did this more than once. But when a real wolf finally came, he shouted for help again, and no one believed him. The boy had lost trust because he hadn't been honest. If he had admitted his mistakes, taken responsibility, and asked for help properly, the outcome could have been very different. Darling, you see, it's not enough just to say sorry. Don't repeat the same mistake, and think about how to make things better next time. Propose a solution. Show that you've learned. Proverbs 28:13 says, "Whoever conceals their sins does not prosper, but the one who confesses and renounces them finds mercy." Owning your mistakes builds trust, strengthens relationships, and helps you grow. It shows that your heart is humble, your mind is wise, and your actions are guided by love. With all my love, Mom.